In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Snowflake stage. Now, whether you're working with internal or external stages, this guide will walk you through the entire process step by step, ensuring everything is clear and straightforward. First, you'll want to open Snowsite. So go ahead and navigate to your web browser and enter the URL https://app.snowflake.com. Once there, sign in with your credentials. It's a pretty straightforward process, but make sure you have the correct login information to access your Snowflake account. Next, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. You're going to look for and click on Data in the menu. This will take you to a page where you can view all the databases and schemas you have access to. From here, select the specific database and schema where you plan to create your stage. It's always good to double-check that you're in the right place to avoid any confusion later on. Now that you're in the right database and schema, let's move on to creating the stage. Scroll down to find the Stages section. You might need to scroll down a bit, depending on your setup. Look for the familiar plus symbol, which signifies Creation. Click on this plus Create, or sometimes labeled as Create Stage button. This will open up a new window where we can start configuring your stage. When it comes to filling in the stage details, you have two options: creating an internal stage or an external stage, such as connecting to an S3 bucket. Let's start with the internal stage. You'll need to give your stage a name. Something like My Stage works well, but feel free to choose something more descriptive if that helps. Leave the type as internal. Additionally, there's an option to select or create a file format, perhaps CSV or JSON, whatever suits your needs. Once you've entered these details, simply click Create, and your internal stage will be set up. If you're opting for an external stage, the setup varies slightly. First, select the option for External. Here, you'll need to enter the cloud storage URL of your external source, something along the lines of S3/your bucket or path. Make sure you've pre-configured a storage integration because you'll select it here. If required, add a file format, much like you did with the internal stage. After entering all this information, click Create, and you'll have your external stage ready to go. And there you have it. If everything went smoothly, your newly created stage will appear in the list under the Stages section. You can click on it now to view any files within for internal stages or glance through its properties, such as file format and URL. This process allows you to manage your data efficiently and adapt to various storage needs within Snowflake. Thanks for watching, and happy staging!